Welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali. Yeah. Big party, big party. Yeah. Hi. My second wife over there.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how the session at the moment in Legian Bali after the sunset. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the session right there at the moment, just keep staying in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, so today, yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the session at the moment in Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street after the sunset. And over again today start from ground zero and I start walking from here until to the north area on Raya Legian Street. Okay, let me show you how busy Legian Bali today. Yeah, this is ground zero. Let me show you around here. Yeah. At the front, if I turn right, there's the way to go to Poppy's Land 2 over there. This is the way to go to Poppy's Land 2. But today I will make video start from the south until to the north area on Raya Legian Street. So let's see together how busy Legian Bali today. And this is we call Tropozone, also Legian area in Legian Bali. But in this area we can sit together. Not really busy yet. Wow, not so busy yet, mine. Okay, let me show you how busy Legian Bali after the sunset today. Again, so sorry if the quality is not really good because now it's quite dark already. Yeah, sunset just around 5 minutes ago. Wow, party, party, party. Woohoo. Welcome to Bali. They look so happy. That's good. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street after the sunset. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Not really busy yet around this area. Bit quiet, isn't it? Traffic as normally. Traffic jam after the sunset. Yeah, maybe I will walking at other side. Let's across the street. Yeah, you see, so from this side you can see exactly how look like the traffic in Legian Bali after the sunset. Hello. Not so bad the traffic, still move. The cars still move. This man is still okay. You see across the street, Yeah, future is over there. That's good. Wow, hello. Beautiful girl. Yeah. We can sit together in this area now. Not really busy. Empty plot. You can make a hotel here. It's quite big land plot. It's good. David and Darren still here. Let's cross the street again. Just follow them. Woo. Wow. Good. Oh, quite busy, isn't it? That's good. Welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali. Yeah. Big party, big party. Yeah. Hi. My second wife over there.
Bagus nggak kameranya?
Hah?
Bagus lah ya kameranya.
Bagus lah.
Editnya nanti jadi putih ya.
Ah, siap siap. A pretty wife there. Enjoy your holiday. Have a good day, brother. Yeah. Yes, she looks so happy too. It's good. Wow, quite hard to cross. Let's cross street again. This is the other side. Yeah, so many loud music around here now because restaurant need customer. Woo. Yeah, this is exactly how the session at the moment in Legian Bali after the sunset. Again, so sorry if the quality of camera is not really good because it's a low light at the moment. Wow, quiet. Coffee pot, Mel, coffee pot. Your favorite your favorite place to having coffee, but not really busy. Future is over there, but yeah, really sad, isn't it? Actually, this is a Legian coffee shop in Legian Bali. Wow. Yeah, there's music over there. Quite strong music. Woo. Yeah, I hope this video will give you an information about the update fashion at the moment in Legian Bali. Even though it's very quiet, but this is the update fashion in Bali. Maybe this video also will bring you back memories when you are ever been walk around in Legian Bali during the sunset time. It's quiet, isn't it? Really sad. Empty. But my viewer David and Karen say is busy. Wow. Across the street, the one Legian. That's across the street. And let's see over there. Wow, Legian. The one Legian. Wow, busy, busy, busy. That's good. Woo. Hello boss, welcome to Bali boss. What do you think about this area today? Not really busy, isn't it? Really sad actually. Usually should be busy around this time because now it's a peak season for Bali, but this is still very quiet in Legian Bali. Ooh, very sad, isn't it? Cross street again. Let's jumping. We can see all both sides. Wow, quite busy in this bar. Boomings. Sport bar. Oh, we have taxi there. It's good. Busy. That's good. It's quiet. Oh, really sad. Yeah, maybe next month will be busier. Sun Island. Okay guys, so this is our region today in Legian Bali on Royal Legian Street. So what do you think? It's quiet, isn't it? Okay, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Legian Bali on Royal Legian Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Ooh.